message is transmitted at the request of the Milwaukee Police Department. An Amber Alert has been issued for Adriana Juarez Coppins, who was last seen around 5 p.m. near 15th and Greenfield. She's described as a light-complexioned slim black female, about 3 feet tall, weighing 50 to 60 pounds, with curly hair, wearing a shiny silver jacket, a wide long-sleeve shirt with a panda on it, as well as pink or purple UGG boots, and a diaper. Adriana was driven away in a black 2020 Chevrolet Malibu with an Illinois license plate of Brett Patrick 108195, with a loud exhaust. The driver is a black male, age 20, 6 foot 01 inches, 155 pounds, thin build, and was last seen wearing a light blue puffer jacket, gray sweatpants, and black Dave & Buster's sandals. Anyone with information about the whereabouts of Adriana Juarez Coppins is asked to call the Milwaukee Police Department at 414-933-4444.